Hi everyone. So a couple of weeks ago I entered a competition called FameLab, which is a competition around the world where people can talk for 3 minutes about a certain subject, and it can be kind of scientific, engineering kind of subjects. And I did a talk on exoplanets. Sadly I didn't get through to the final, but I thought I'd just show you the presentation anyway, and I'd do it as a video. So enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, my name's Matt and I'm from Star Tours, your local galactic travel agent. Now I'm sure many of you booked some holidays to some really exotic places this year, such as the Crab Nebula, the Sombrero Galaxy, or maybe just to Magaluf. But I'm here to tell you about one of the most up-and-coming, exotic and exciting holiday destinations in the universe, exoplanets. Now exoplanets are planets that orbit around other stars in the universe other than our own sun. And not only are they one of the most up-and-coming and interesting holiday destinations, but also areas of science. Our scientists have been searching for over 2 decades now. In that time we've found nearly 2,000 exoplanets in our galaxy alone. But how do scientists find exoplanets? Well, to demonstrate, here I have a torch which represents our star, and this, the green dot, represents our exoplanet. So if you imagine, the exoplanet constantly orbits around the star like so. Now what happens is, as the planet passes in front of the star, you'll notice that it blocks out some of the light from the star. And this is how scientists detect exoplanets. We can look at millions and millions of stars in the night sky, and we look for any of them that suddenly go fainter for a short period of time on a regular occurrence. And that's because an exoplanet is passing in front of them and blocking out the light from the star. And this technique has helped us find lots of different types of exoplanet. We found really small rocky ones the size of the moon, and massive gas giants, tens of thousands of times the size of the Earth. We found ones that are so close to their host star that they're hundreds of degrees Celsius. So if you want to go on holiday to one of these, you'd better pack some decent suntan cream. But whatever planet you fancy going to for your holidays, we've got the one out there just for you. Now you might be worried about some of the less important features of your holiday, such as the availability of oxygen to breathe or water to drink. But don't worry, because scientists aren't just trying to find the sizes and temperatures of exoplanets, they're also trying to see what conditions are like down on the surface. And to do this, we study the atmospheres of exoplanets. So as our planet blocks some of the light from the star, some of the light actually passes through the atmosphere of the exoplanet, this clear area around the outside. And scientists can study this light that's passed through the atmosphere to find out what chemicals are present on the planet, such as oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. And from this, scientists can estimate there could be around 8 billion habitable exoplanets in our galaxy alone, planets that can support life. However, Star Tours would like to remind you we cannot be responsible for any angry alien natives. But these planets aren't just really great holiday destinations, they're also used for really important scientific research. For example, we can never see what our solar system and planet looked like when they were forming billions of years ago. But we can look at other exoplanets and planetary systems and try and understand from those what it might have been like when our own planet and solar system formed. So why delay? Exoplanets are one of the most incredible up-and-coming holiday destinations in the universe. We've discovered nearly 2,000 of them so far, and each one is completely unique and different, meaning you can have your own personal customised holiday. So you fancy something different this year? Why not go on holiday to an exoplanet? Because they're out of this world. So there you go, there's my entry for the FameLab competition. Again, sadly I didn't win, but it was really good. It was a really enjoyable experience and really fun. I'll put a link to the FameLab somewhere around here, and you can click on it and you can learn more about it and enter yourself, because it's a really good opportunity and really fun. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check out the rest of my channel, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys all soon. There's something special about seeing a solar eclipse. Many of us will only get to see one during our lifetime because they're that rare an event. Solar filters on cameras and solar eclipse glasses means that millions of us can get together and enjoy this spectacular event together. But what is a solar eclipse? What causes it? And what science can we do with one?